Hello, my name is Megan Iwazumi, and this is my final project. As a child, I spent a lot of time in San Francisco watching the Giants play baseball, sliding down the Coke slide, and sitting in the cable car by the bleachers, which was the inspiration for my final project. Before I started modeling the cable car, I did extensive research on the San Francisco Cable Car Museum website, as well as in several history books and on enthusiast websites. Through my research, I was able to find information about the dimensions, materials, and building processes used in the actual construction of the cars. There are three major components that make up this project: the oak frame of the carriage where the passengers sit, the steel frame that supports the carriage, and the grip mechanism. To start, I found front and top views of a cable car similar to the one that I wanted to model, which I then imported into Solidworks and scaled to the correct dimensions. I built up a basic frame by drawing sketches on the top frame and extruding along the Z-axis to the correct height. The first challenge that I faced was creating intricate window frames located all around the car. To do this, I created 3D sketches of rectangles on 3 planes for each of the windows, then inserted splines connecting the corners of each rectangle. Afterwards, I lofted the surfaces on each side of the window, creating 2 trapezoidal prisms on each side, and deleted the surfaces that were flush with the exterior of the frame. I then changed the appearance of the material in the center of the frame to glass. However, the most challenging part of this project was creating the cable grip, which along with the wheels makes up the kinematic component of this project. The grip contains a multitude of parts, which make it such that a cable running underground can be grabbed and released by a pullman standing inside of the car. This simulation shows what would happen if the grip jammed and the grip man pulled on the grip with 150 pounds of force. A problem that I faced while building the grip assembly was when it came time for me to place the grip mechanism within the car, I found that it was far too large for the space. To fix this problem, I had to go back and scale down each individual part of the grip by 25% using the scale tool in SolidWorks. In the end, this project took 50+ hours and several sleepless nights to complete.